Wow, you see that bird flying there? That's what we're gonna feel like when we're living up here. Hello folks and welcome to today's video. I'm in Asok and I'm going to be checking out a few condos in today's video because in this new year of 2024 I want to have a residency here in Bangkok and also in Metro Manila. I want to be able to jump between the two whenever I like, whenever I feel bored. And the first two condos I'm going to be checking out in today's video is in the Ashton building located behind us. So as I mentioned earlier, we're going to be looking at 2 units from the Ashton, and then we're gonna go across town somewhere closer to the Chao Phraya River to look at another Ashton building. But speaking of Ashton again, there's a third one right here called the Celeste, but I don't know if we'll be able to view any units that are available in this particular building. The one we're gonna try and view right now is this one here called the Ashton Asok. But I have no idea how we're gonna cross this main street that runs through this very busy intersection.
Oh dude, you have the MRT and the BTS here.
Yeah, where the Ashton Asok is located, or Asok in general, it's just got so much connectivity to the BTS, the MRT, malls such as Terminal 21. And this is the drive to the building. Looks fancy, huh? Alright folks, welcome to the first unit, which is a 2-bedroom unit at 65 square meters, and I'm sitting actually in the living space that has this beautiful panoramic view. It goes from this side of the wall all the way right round in this direction and over there. This entire place is filled with just floor to ceiling windows with views over Terminal 21, the Asok BTS downstairs, and this incredible view over Bangkok skyline. It's fantastic. It's so well designed. So let's talk a little bit about furniture. I'm sitting right now on this armchair right in the corner. These panoramic windows, however, do let a lot of heat in. Like, I can feel it's quite hot in here. But as I was saying, the furniture is fantastic. I love it. I don't know what TV this is, but it's kind of like in the center here. But I don't even know if I would be looking at the TV or at the view. Which one would you be looking at? I'd probably be looking at the view with the sun setting in this direction. So the sun sets over here, and I think it rises in that direction over there. So we're looking at west. It is an amazing condo. And actually, dude, you can see BANGKOK Park from here. All of that behind Terminal 21 is BANGKOK Park. This particular unit is located on the 43rd floor of the 50 floors of this building. So the living space and the kitchen is this open layout. Kitchen is on the right hand side. You've got a 4-seater dining table. Perfect to eat here. Maybe to do a little bit of work, chill out with friends. Maybe have somebody cook. You've got a 2-in-1 washer. Is it washer and dryer or is it just a washer? Let's check that because that's important if we're going to rent a place or rent this particular unit. Yep, it is a washer and dryer from Electrolux. There's a 4 induction hob stove, a microwave from Samsung there, a nice big fridge here. The aircon seems to be all tucked into the ceiling, so it's dock type. But I wonder if these sort of dock type ACs in these sort of buildings are inverter units or if they're non-inverters, because we were staying in a unit and we checked the electricity bill and it looked like it was like 6,000 Thai baht for about an 11 or 12 day period, which is extremely high. If you multiply that by 3, that's almost 18,000 Thai baht just on electricity if you were to use it 24 hours. So we've got to be a bit mindful when we're looking at ACs or units, with ACs that are docked in. But it's integrated very well into the ceiling. There's nice ambient lighting tucked around here on the side as well. And these curtains go all the way right round. You see, you've got a set of sheer blinds and blackout blinds. So this can go all the way around if you didn't want the intensity of the sun to be so strong and you didn't want the heat to come into the unit. But I really like it like this. Our electricity bill here is going to be through the roof. I can just guarantee it. But I see myself living here right now. We've got an L sofa in the middle here. I'm not sure if all the units are like this with this sort of like custom paneling. That's a nice little coffee table there. Something you still lack in BGC, my friend. To put your cup there so that we don't spill it. Oh, it's a Toshiba TV. Wow, must be ancient. This, ma'am, is this a smart TV? Oh, it's smart TV. Yes, it is. Yo, it won't turn on.
We're using the wrong remote.
Is this the wrong remote, man? No, it just doesn't have batteries, I think. There are these small little windows where you can open them up and get a little bit of fresh air. Just like that. They're pretty stiff. But because this is a 2-bedroom unit, it's located right on the corner of the building. So if you want that curved panoramic window, as you see here, I think it's only available for the 2-bedroom units. Is that correct, ma'am? The one bedrooms do not have this curved panoramic window style. This is what I mean by like if you go for a 2-bedroom and live with someone, you get way more value for your money. And is this sort of a interior trim, ma'am, standard?
Yes.
So this is standard for the whole Ashton Asok building?
Not really.
Or it's just this unit?
Yes, this unit.
Okay, so it has been remodeled. It's a smart TV? Okay, I thought it wasn't. So that's great, that's a smart TV too.
Wi-Fi.
We've also got some rose gold paneling on the sides of the corridor here. Very fancy.
It's like a tinted mirror.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's tinted. Nice hotel style ambient lighting here on the sides. It is very hotel style. This is the first bedroom of the 2. I'm not sure if that's a double or a queen size bed, but it fits. There's not a lot of space to walk around it. I'm having to shimmy. But there's a bit of space on the side here. There is a desk in the corner there. So I think you just need to get a taller chair to accommodate that desk space well. You've got a view of, I believe, the west side of Bangkok. So you've got the Ashton Celeste I was pointing out earlier, some more condos, great views. You're gonna have sunrise pointing in this direction. So you're gonna wake up to the sun rising every morning. It's gonna be fantastic.
How's your bedroom look?
My bedroom? Speaking of how does my bedroom look, if I'm gonna get this bedroom, then I expect to be paying slightly a little bit lower rent.
Of course, bro.
Than you are. If you wanna pay more, sure. That's open for negotiation, but the current asking price for this unit is 90,000 Thai baht, which converts to
2,700 USD.
2,700 USD. So between the two of us, if we would split it 50-50, it'd be about 1,350. Not included of electricity bills or internet. Based on the remodeling.
This bathroom is better though.
The bathroom?
This
is the guest bathroom, which the first bedroom would have to use, but it's bigger.
and it has a range.
It has this curved wall here. It has a ceiling shower. What is that? That looks like a Dyson shower head. I don't know, but it's just really premium. It's got this like sort of granite style tiling. And now this is the second bedroom. This is the master bedroom, and it has an ensuite here, which is just behind us. It takes quite a significant portion of the bedroom, but that's because you have a bathtub in here. Look at that. It's a full-size bathtub with glass panel windows that you can open up and see the view. You've got the same style wardrobe as in the first bedroom. In the second bedroom here, I don't know why the lights don't turn on for this particular one. Maybe we haven't activated them. This desk is much better because it's slower. So this chair is fine, but the other one is slightly a bit higher. So I would need to get a bigger chair, or you need to get a bigger chair, whoever wants to get it. They've got a Toshiba smart TV mounted on the wall there. Would you say it's a king or queen? It's a king, right? Small king.
It's bigger than a queen.
Look at the trim here. The backboard is integrated into the wall there. It's really nice. And look at the view once again. Wow, you see that bird flying high? That's what we're gonna feel like when we're living up here.
Well, there's the Circle 31 building.
Where's the Circle
The
31?
orange building, you don't see it behind the crane?
Oh yeah, that's where we live.
Yeah.
Wow. This unit is higher than the amenities.
building.
The entire building, correct.
Yeah. You haven't even been on the roof yet, have you?
I did, I went on it yesterday.
Okay.
It's really high, but I can't believe this unit is higher than the current building that we stay at, which is Circle 31 in the distance over there. You see that bronze building? That's where we're staying right now. Forgot to mention there is this room here that is a utility room. I don't know why they didn't put the washing machine out here, but there's a place to hang your clothes if you want to not use the dryer built into the washing machine. There's a panel there that also opens up to allow for the humidity to escape. Wait, there is something here. Is this where the compressors are? Wow, this is where the compressors are. Okay, they look huge though. That looks like a 4 horsepower air conditioning unit. You seeing that? Okay, because of the elevator system, we're going to check out the amenities now and then show you the second unit located on the 24th floor in the same building. They're located on the 35th floor, are they? It's pretty high.
This one doesn't go to 9.
But it doesn't have like a roof deck pool, right? Because of the way the building is shaped. Is it like...
Yeah, because of the building shape.
Uh-huh.
On facility only 35th.
Let's see. Wow. Yo. Somebody Whoa. Holy crap, guys. This looks so premium. Whew. I'm telling you, this is a level of class that I've not seen from any other Asian city. Like, this is why I love Bangkok. The level of quality of the condos in which they build in Bangkok is just unrivaled. There's also these giant sofa beds here where you can put your stuff and lie down on. Well, there's a shower here. All of this is made from marble. And there's a lounge out here too that you can step out onto. But how long is that pool? I reckon it's about 20 meters long. I believe the gym is through here. Wow, nice fitness area. I don't exactly know how to access it. Oh, just push. Oh yeah. Now this is a proper gym. This is what I'm talking about. Specced out with machinery, dumbbells, CrossFit. On this side, there's a dedicated area for the treadmills too. There's 5 of them. And look how tall those ceilings are. And the air conditioning is working fantastic in here. Where we're staying right now in Circle 31, the air conditioning is not so great. Oh, there is a bit of an accident here. I'm not sure if they're going to get that replaced or not. You know, these amenities are so big, I've lost the agent and Justin. I don't know where they've gone. Oh, found them. Now up the staircase is the co-working space. So to the left, we've got an area called the library. We'll push this door, to which it looks like nobody is using. Look how premium that looks. And then on this side, we've got something called the social club, to which we have a few people in here. Similar style, it's a little bit smaller. Oh, and then the games room through here. So there's a pool table in the middle. What I like is that it shows the opening hours for each amenity. So it's between 8 and 11 p.m, which is pretty late for an amenity. We'll walk down the staircase now and go check out the second unit in this building. Okay folks, welcome to the second unit, which is actually located on the 20th floor, not the 24th. And it's exactly the same style unit. You can see it's still got that same panoramic feel. It's located on the same side of the building because all the 2 bedrooms are, I believe, facing in this direction. You can see the view is significantly compromised. On the 43rd floor, we were looking over the Terminal 21 Mall. Here, we're facing these amenities, which I believe is part of the Center Point Hotel, maybe. We've got some air conditioning units as well, compromising the view. I do like how we're close to the street level. That's nice. If you feel more attached to it. But again, you're not really above the skyline as you are on the 43rd floor. And the asking price for this unit is 70,000 Thai baht. So the delta difference just to be on the higher floor and with a few more innovations is about 20,000 Thai baht. But you know, the furniture, it feels a little bit more vintage is the style they've gone for. They've gone for the brown interior. I really like the sofa in this unit because it has a lot of depth. Look at that. The other sofa was a bit smaller, but the TV I think might be the same size from a Samsung. And I believe it's also a smart TV with this TV stand in the middle. There's also a chair, once again, in the corner. It's weird how it's exactly in that corner, once again. There's a little coffee stand by the side of the TV. You've got a washing machine here from BANGKOK. I think also a dryer, because it says extra dry. The kitchen's the same, but the microwave in the previous unit was a little bit better. We've got a Hitachi fridge here. So if you like the style of unit and you don't mind being on the lower floor, then you can save some money by taking this unit. 20,000 Thai baht to be exact. The bedrooms, the first bedroom has a single bed, to which Justin is sitting here on the gaming chair. It looks like it's had a little bit of wear on it. I don't know why it feels smaller. I think it could also be due to the wardrobe. Did you see the wardrobe in the previous one? It was integrated into the wall. So the previous one did have a lot of remodeling done to save space. I just realized these units don't have balconies.
Yeah.
I just saw the balconies over there at the Salez. That's what reminds me. Not a big deal when you have panoramic windows like that. And then this is the second bedroom here. Similar style, where you got the bathtub, ensuite in that corner there. But here you've got this TV mounted onto the wall, which is a curved TV from Samsung. That's really nice. This bedding here, this color is a bit odd. It does have a headboard. I don't know if this is standard or if this comes standard with the units. And this is, again, similar view as the first bedroom. Ma'am, is this standard deliverables? Is this what all the units usually look like?
Yes, yeah, that's how it looks like. So you
like over turnover, yeah?
Yes, and also about the wall.
And the walls.
Yes.
So the owner hasn't done much in terms of like renovation here, just put it a couch, tables, some beds.
Yeah, so you see the standard of building as gifts.
Okay, it looks like this. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, folks, we've stepped outside the Ashton Asoka. We're now going to head over to Ashton Chilom, where we're going to get a motorbike taxi all the way there, because we're going to get a traditional taxi, but we're worried about traffic because it's around about 4:30 p.m. right now. And so we're going to try and beat the traffic by whizzing through traffic on knees. Grab taxis, grab motorbike.
You booked?
I booked, yeah.